How's it going, everybody? My name is Justin with American Soft Wash, a division of Total Roofing and Construction. Here today to talk to you about our soft wash exterior home cleaning process. The idea behind soft washing is to clean your home's exterior, including your roof, your siding, your stone, your concrete, your wood, any surface like that, using a chemical mixture as opposed to a high pressure cleaning method. So what is soft wash? Soft wash is a low pressure cleaning system using a water-based chemical and surfactant mixture to clean your home's exteriors. That chemical in that solution is going to be sodium hypochlorite, which is the active ingredient in household bleach. That is a biodegradable and organic chemical. And then that soap surfactant that's in there is just to get this solution to actually stick to your surfaces so that the cleaning agent can actually do its job cleaning your home exteriors. The benefit of using a sodium hypochlorite based cleaning solution versus pressure would be to mitigate marking up your siding, ripping the granules off of your roof, scarring up your concrete, punching your screens, any of those common issues you have when you use a high pressure cleaning hose like you might see with a pressure washer and a wand. Typically what you see with those a lot of times is you'll see a lot of marks getting made in the siding where they pick up and leave off from doing their lines of cleaning. What we want to talk about next is the actual root cause of all that green algae you're seeing on your house. And what that is actually is a cyanobacteria called Gliocapsamagma, which is an ancient blue-green bacteria. And it grows on your home surfaces by feeding on any limestone fillers in your shingles, for example, organic fillers in your siding or your wood fence. All that organic material, it's actually to feed on that. It latches on and it can actually reduce the expected life of those home exterior products. So the effect of this Gliocapsamagma on your home exterior ranges depending on the exterior surface we're talking about. For example, on your roof, you're going to see Gliocapsamagma appear as dark streaks or green, kind of mossy looking blotches. And that's just kind of the natural progression as it latches on to the organic substances in your shingle and feeds on them to grow. Stone surfaces around your house, like your bricks, stone facades you may have, that Gliocapsamagma is going to cling on. It's going to make things look green, it's going to make them look dark, and it's going to make them look slimy. And then with your siding, typically you'll see it, especially on the north side of your home, you're just going to get that green kind of nasty little layer of scuzz all over your siding. And the idea behind soft wash is that we're looking to protect those surfaces by killing off that Gliocapsamagma at the source. This can help us to extend the life of your home exterior, it can increase your curb appeal, and it can protect your investment. So typically, our soft washing crew will arrive on site and they will begin to prepare the area for cleaning. What that looks like is that they will go around and they'll tape any exposed electrical outlets, cover any sensitive exterior accessories like maybe a ceiling fan you have on your patio or something like that. And then what they're going to do is they're actually going to wet your landscaping and the grass surrounding your home. And this will be to neutralize any runoff of that sodium hypochlorite solution that'll be coming off your home during the cleaning process. Next step in this process is going to be to actually apply the cleaning solution. So what this looks like for roofing, siding, anything in your home is essentially they're going to spray solution onto the home and let it sit for a period of time. That period of time will be contingent on what that surface is and the extent of that Gliocapsamagma. Next is going to be to rinse off that solution. What that looks like for your siding, your gutters, your soffits, your stone, all of those vertical planes on your home, they're just going to rinse it away with fresh water until that surface is free of that green Gliocapsamagma. On your roof, it's a little different. Instead of actually spraying it away, what they're going to do is they're going to go up there, they're going to treat that roof surface until the black staining from that Gliocapsamagma is gone, and then the larger clumps of mossy looking growth are turning yellow. This signifies to us that our solution has effectively killed whatever growth is on that roof, and then we let it sit. That sodium hypochlorite will naturally break down over time in the sun, so any residual smell that you're getting from the roof will kind of dissipate after a day or two. And then what we're looking for is actually rainfall to finish rinsing that roof off for us. With most surfaces, you're going to see a clean product within that first day, but with your roof, you may see a lag time of up to a month as that rainfall comes in and finishes cleaning that surface. Advantage to this would be extending your home exterior material life. This Gliocapsamagma is feeding on your home exterior any organic substances like your limestone and filler in your shingles, and it is actually shortening the life of those products. So as part of a good maintenance cycle, it's a good idea to get those surfaces cleaned up, kill off that Gliocapsamagma, reduce the amount of costful repairs you have from not keeping these items maintained. Finally, two things, it would be that it's environmentally mindful, as the sodium hypochlorite is a biodegradable and organic material. It will naturally dilute out and lose any potency as it sits there. In conclusion, soft washing is a low pressure cleaning method for your home exterior that utilizes surfactants, biodegradable chemicals, and water to clean Gliocaps from your home without causing unintended collateral damage. It tackles the problem at the root, is a long-term solution, is a good maintenance item to reduce the need for costly repairs, as that Gliocaps does reduce the life of your home materials.